Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today I've got some fascinating news from the world of biomedical research. Dr. Carrie Elks from Pennington Biomedical Research Center just received a whopping $1.4 million grant from the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, or NIDDK. This grant aims to explore a groundbreaking discovery in the battle against obesity. So, what's the big deal? Well, Dr. Elks and her team have uncovered a communication loop between fat cells and immune cells that could revolutionize how we understand and treat obesity. This loop involves a small but mighty protein called Oncostatin M, or OSM. Interruptions in this communication can lead to obesity and decreased function of fat tissues. The research will focus on how OSM and its communication loop help maintain body weight. The idea is that the interaction between fat cells and immune cells is crucial for fat tissues to function properly. When this interaction is disrupted, it can result in inflammation and insulin resistance. The grant will help Dr. Elks' team dive deeper into this phenomenon. Dr. Elks is pretty excited, and I can see why. She mentioned, "I'm grateful that the NIDDK has evaluated this discovery and our planned research to be worthy of this generous grant. The study aims to reveal new patterns in cell communication that could lead to new treatments for obesity and other metabolic diseases." One key aspect they're focusing on is the OSM protein produced by immune cells in fatty tissue. The lab's research shows that when fat cells lack the receptor for OSM, it leads to inflammation and insulin resistance. They're asking critical questions like, do fat cells regulate the amount of free cytokine proteins to maintain balance? And does continuous exposure to OSM make fat cells less responsive, causing insulin resistance? Dr. John Kerwin, executive director of Pennington Biomedical, praised Dr. Elks' work, saying, "This research is a perfect example of our Cells to Society mantra. It's all about exploring the roots of obesity to develop new ways to prevent and treat it." Dr. Elks' Matrix Biology Lab is on a mission. They study how cellular communication networks are linked to insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and even Crohn's disease. Their ultimate goal? To find better treatments for patients with metabolic diseases. So there you have it. Thanks to this $1.4 million grant, Dr. Elks and her team are one step closer to unlocking the secrets of fat cell communication and paving the way for revolutionary treatments for obesity. Exciting times ahead, right? Stay curious and keep exploring.